Everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. And remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just this is rare. I can't find these things, man. These are tough to get my hands on. I get a lot of the four-wheel drive trucks. This is an 81 K5 two-wheel drive Blazer. Great truck, man. Bought it from a really nice guy. It's only got about 500 miles on it. It is a very, well, the drivetrain is a very recent restoration. It's been done as a Restomod. LS, fuel-injected motor underneath the hood. It's got a all brand new QA1 K-member coil-over conversion underneath it. In a great truck. Clean, solid body. It's very clean underneath. In a great truck. Really hits the road good. They did a nice job. Now, the paint, body, interior, all that stuff was done before he started. So he didn't exactly know when it was done. There's a couple little marks. You can kind of nitpick at it, just like everything. But very, very nice. Wheels and tires are new. Drivetrain's new. The lowering kit and front suspension's all new. He just put a brand new dash in it. This is actually the factory color combination. Cardinal red with a white top. That's right on the sped tag in the glove box. You can see they did a custom interior in it. Those are original seats, but they've done them like the Hounds Tooth, like the old school 60s cars had. But really good truck. Like I say, runs and drives really good. This is my first experience with that QA1K member. It's awesome. Very nice stuff. You can see the grill is really nice. Hopefully it doesn't start. We tried to start a video here just a minute ago and it started spitting rain, so we had to stop. But really good truck, man. And again, I can't find these. I just don't see them. You see the four-wheelers, but little two-wheel drive trucks, I've only had a couple of these. And again, there's a couple little stone pecks. You can kind of nitpick on it, but really nice truck. And it looks like there's a break in the windshield there. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, really cool, especially if you like the old style 60s interior like we're used to. Of course, that is a removable hardtop. You see the tinted glass. And this was the correct color combination. It's got the roll down back window. It works. Looks like the original bumpers on it. All the trim really looks original. There's a little, yeah, you can see where a little scratch there that they've touched up. But this panel's really nice. Again, thing is clean. You crawl underneath this thing, it is clean. Nice and straight down the sides. Those are 20-inch Detroit steel wheels. Those are radial Redlines. Those were not cheap, I'll tell you that right now. And most of these are just rotted right out. This thing is clean. I think it's a 31-gallon fuel tank. Love the wheels and tires, man. Super cool. Gives this a great look. I think it's got a Belltech Flip kit and C-notch frame in the rear. And again, this front suspension, it's $4,500 for the kit alone. It's all QA1, coil-over conversion kit. It's all tubular. And here comes the rain. Well, we're going to get through this one this time. I said it's a Gen 3 LS, aluminum heads. Friend of his is the one that rebuilt it. So there's about 500 miles on all that stuff. They put some headers on it, nothing crazy. It's got a Spectra cold air intake. It's got power rack and pinion steering. You can see how new this stuff is. It's all brand spanking new. Power rack and pinion steering, power front disc brakes, 4 L60 automatic overdrive trans. Here's his dad's the one who did all the wiring. I guess he works for a restoration shop, and that's what he does. But PSI conversion controller. The truck is a factory air truck, and almost everything is here for it. There is a compressor mounted down below. It's been open to the elements. I would not use that if you want the air to work. And I do have a guy who will put air on it if you want it done. We're going to kind of leave it alone, so we kind of leave the price at where it is. But the compressors are about 300 bucks, and then you're going to need some lines. We also found, as a matter of fact, he told me about this before it actually left him. It's got a leak in the radiator. We've ordered a brand new 4-row aluminum. We'll have that installed. Again, clean. Again, this is my first experience actually with this setup. This thing drives really good. And like I say, you just don't see them. They are not easy to come by. Again, dual chrome mirrors, soft ray glass, got tinted glass, power windows. Looks like the original door handles. Look how clean the bottoms of the doors are. Like I say, you crawl all over the truck, it's clean. Power windows, power locks, bucket seats, center console. Again, those are original Blazer seats, it's just got a different cover on it. Tilt column, billet steering wheel. It's got a, I think it's called Intellitronix digital dash. That's brand new. Blower motor works. The radio looks like a Delco factory radio. It has actually been converted. The manual for it's in the center console there. It's Bluetooth. Plug-in is down there below the floor on the heat by the heater for the Bluetooth, but that's been all converted. Great truck, man. X-pipe, dual exhaust, sounds good. Again, factory rear axle, no big monster gear or anything like that. Here's your roll down for your rear window. It works. Took pictures with it up so you can see it fits good. Like I say, just a killer little truck. Very nice underneath. Love the stance. Again, doors are nice and clean. Seats are really cool. Dash pad's nice. Like I say, the sped tag is in there. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it and everything. And he said, matter of fact, he had pictures. I don't know if I got that, but I couldn't pick it up until his wife used it in the family photos. Again, great truck. Nice and smooth. No big cam. They didn't do anything like that. You know, it's built to cruise. Like I said, great stance. A lot of fun. See the dash lights up red. Tack works. All your gauges are functional. It's showing 377. He said there's, well, 108 miles. Everything opens and closes nice. Just a great little truck, man. Fun little truck. Backup lights work. Great sound. Power windows work. Power locks work. Radial works great. And again, there's a plug-in down there for the Bluetooth. Wipers are functional. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Tell me that's not going to be a fun little truck right there. Get great sound. I mean, really hits the road good. love the wheels and tires on